Hello everybody, tonight we make some easy dish. We make arancini. What we need, we got over here 1 pound already at the meat, it's pork. I got 8 ounce peas, the peas it's a frozen peas. I got 3 tablespoons onion and 1 clove garlic. I got 2 spoons of the concentrato. I got 1 mozzarella. I use a Menau one, but this it's really fresh mozzarella. Look at this. It look like my head over here. And I got breadcrumb. I got 2 eggs. And I got 2 cups arborio rice. I cook already. When you do the arancini, the rice, it gotta be cold. Okay, I got the pots already over here. I was put on it, and I got a little oil. At the start, I started with the garlic and onion, and we start to fry a little bit of this. Okay, now the onion you gotta be really cooked good. Because I gotta put the meat now. Okay, we gotta make now this meat nice brown to cook. And after I gotta put the rest, they go together, everything. Okay, now this it's ready. And we put a little salt, not too much salt. Black pepper. E tomato paste. Now, I say concentrato, italiano, tomato paste. This now I gotta mix really good. Okay, let's put the peas. And we give a nice turn with the peas, everything together. Cause this the meat, when we do the arancini, you know, gotta be wet, it gotta be dry too. I gotta put inside with the rice. And now we put a little white wine. Okay, it's enough. And now the meat you gotta cook for 10 minutes. Okay, now the meat is ready with the peas, everything, but you gotta cool off a little bit. At the time this cool off, I put on the dish like this, I spread like that, okay, cool off fast. I got 2 eggs over here. I gotta put a little salt, a little black pepper, and I want to scramble these 2 eggs that I gotta use for the rice, the arancini. Okay, now we gotta play with my hands. You know, roll, roll, roll. Now, first thing what you gotta do, I was washing my hands really good, and I got a cold water over here, and you wet your hands. Because when you wet your hands, you can work good with the rice. And the rice, you know how big you like, you can make the way you like. You squeeze a little bit of the rice, like this. After you make a hole in the middle, like that. After you make a hole, you take the meat and you put the meat inside, like this. And you got the fresh mozzarella, and you put a fresh mozzarella 1, 2, and 3 pieces. You take more rice, and the rice you gotta cover the meat, the peas, and the mozzarella. And you put it like this over here, like that. Make sure the cover good, everything. One time it's a cover, you make the ball, like that. Now you see over here, you gotta watch, it got a little open. You take a little rice, and you cover. You know, like you patch when you got a flat tire, you gotta cover the hole. After this done like this, I got the eggs over here. You roll inside of the eggs, like this. After that, you go on the breadcrumb and you roll on the breadcrumb like that. After this, okay, you roll on the breadcrumb, you gotta go fry, no oil. Okay, the oil is ready. It's a pea oil. This is good for fry. Now, I don't want to dump this like this. I got this, I want to dump nice and easy, okay? I don't want something happen. When you got a nice color, this is ready. All right, look how beautiful this is. Look, this arancini, rice ball. Look at that. After we put on a paper towel, you gotta cool off a little bit, and this is ready to go to eat. Okay, we did one nice. The color is good. Let's see now. I gotta do all the rest. I got to finish everything. But I was show you the way they do. I did one, and look at this, how beautiful look. Okay, now let me taste my arancini. Really good. You need a little wine. Salute e cincine to everybody. I hope somebody make this. It's a really beautiful arancini. Bomba di riso. Arancini. Salute e cincine to everybody. Thank you.
Were you cracking?
I'm cracking.
Where?
The dish.
But what side?
This.
Oh, in that one? Okay. Go ahead.
You want to crack eggs? Crack eggs. It's uno e two crack eggs.